Yo, what's up YouTube? Today I've collected some new wheels all the way at Mildenhall now. So yeah, so I've came a bit of a way and I'm now on the way to Clacton to go to a car show at the same time. So overall 200-mile trip, but these wheels seem to be, I'm not sure about the tyres, the tyres are really good actually, but I'm not sure about the brand of them, but they should hopefully perform better than the other tyres because they're a lot thicker and they're actual proper alloys, so they're going to look really nice as well. They're wider, so they have thick, it's more tight on the ground, so it's going to be, hopefully going to be a bit more grip, I'm hoping. They're not premium brand tyres, but like my other ones, they're Yokohama's, but hopefully they should still be good and they should look good at the same time. Maybe eventually I can get some better performing tyres, but yeah. So as you can see, I'm just gonna, these tyres or wheels I should say are very dirty inside, so I'm just gonna give them a clean while I can, a bit of wheel cleaner, and
I can't leave my bed, but I can't sleep. I got no clean clothes and I can't eat, and I smoke too much till I can't breathe. I'm emotional, I'll always be, and I hate myself, but that's alright. And I love myself, but that's alright. And I tell myself that it's alright, that I dream about the day I die. To my surprise, there's no one to blame. Nobody came. What a shame, shame, shame. I've been dancing at my funeral, waiting for you to arrive. I was hoping you'd look beautiful, dancing with tears in your eyes, but nobody came. What a shame, shame, shame.
so as you can see, all of this purple is pretty much reacting with the iron metal, so that's all, that's picking up a lot of bad stuff. Some shampoo in here, but you don't have to, I don't really need the other brushes. I might get a little brush, and go just so it gets behind all in here and stuff.
What a shame, shame, shame. I've been dancing at my funeral, waiting for you to arrive. I was hoping you'd look beautiful, dancing with tears in your eyes, but nobody came. What a shame, shame, shame. Prove my love before I leave. I wanna make you come straight my knees. Want you to bite my tongue till I bleed, and I can put these buttons in my obituary. We all hate ourselves, but that's alright. We all love ourselves, but that's alright. We all tell ourselves that it's alright.
Boom, that does look so much better. I guess there's a tiny bit up there I can get rid of, but I think I might need a more powerful degreaser to get some of that stuff. But I'm not looking to get, you know, major, I'm just looking to get them looking a bit nicer, so I'm not looking to do an amazing job or anything, but I'm just trying to do a good job without damaging it really. That should be fine. Fine enough for me. Right, now I'll do them the other way round. So all around here. It doesn't look perfect, but it will look, hopefully it'll look much better.
Stella, coming along, melted in my heart, getting high off your own supply. I understand we are only friends, but your eyes keep telling me to take you away. Oh, when you call, I get
So I've now cleaned the wheels, so I mean they're looking a lot better than they were before, so you know, and they've got some scrapes along here, but to be honest, I mean, I'm not too worried about the scrapes. They're not too bad. Maybe there's some form of like pen I can go over it or something, or maybe eventually I'll paint them or whatever, but I just got these as a cheap wheel to make it look a bit better, and you know, maybe eventually I'll get some even better wheels, but for now I think this is a good starting point. I don't want to spend loads and loads of money, but yeah, they are looking pretty good apart from the scrapes, but I mean, if I could always choose to get them refurbished at some point, so yeah, they're looking pretty good. But yeah, I wonder what they will look like in the car, so yeah. So I took them to my mate's house and he was able to fit them for me, the new rims, and they look really nice. These are the 15-inch ones, so I think this originally came with 13s. Now we're sitting on 15s. I think some of them come with 14s as stock, but they don't do ones in 15s stock, so they seem to be better performance because they're wider, and I think these look just so much better because of the fitment. Look at that fitment compared to what it was before, where the wheels were literally inside. Now they're not sticking out. You don't want them sticking out, but that does look arguably a lot better in my opinion. They're just so much better than the Steelies. I would really like a set of mini lights. Maybe these are too big. I'm just sort of thinking about it right now, but these do look a lot better, and the Steelies were a bit ricey, I guess, with the fake hubcaps. So now I've got actual rims, which is really nice.